Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I figured it was time for a little update. So the last time we spoke, I had told you that I was moving across the country and I arrived in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm moving to Nashville! There's been so many moving parts and so much going on in my life. So thank you for being patient with me and bearing with me as I figure out how to share all the news on everything that's going on. One of the biggest things that I haven't shared with you yet that I am so excited about is that I bought a house. It's so weird to even say that. I bought a house here in Nashville. It was truly such a God thing. When I decided that I was gonna move here, I was not in any way planning on buying a house. I was just gonna rent an apartment like I did any other time I moved to a new city. But God had other plans. Never in my life did I ever think that I would be in a position at this age to buy a house. And I feel very grateful and very blessed to be able to do something like this. 2 years ago, I made $6,000 total in a year. And so it's just so cool to look back on the last 2 years of my life and to see God's faithfulness and his provision to be able to be in a spot right now to be able to purchase a home. Oh, I gotta sit down. I truly cannot believe this. That being said though, I can't move into my house until end of September because it's being built right now. So I actually went on the grounds a couple days ago just to check it out, and it's a bunch of 2x4, so it's really hard to get a picture of what it's gonna look like. But let me know if you'd like to see a video on the house being built and that whole process. It might be kind of fun to take you guys to the property and kind of walk you through that journey of being a homeowner, because hey, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I literally learned what a mortgage was a month ago. I had no idea. So it's safe to say I'm learning a lot in this season. There's a lot of change. There's a lot of adult things that are happening and coming at me all at once, which honestly is kind of overwhelming. Being on social media is kind of like the last thing on my mind right now, but it is my full-time job. And so again, thank you for being patient with me and going on this journey. I wanted to make this video really because I wanted to show you the reality of moving. Moving is not easy. It is so hard. Just moving from one house to another, even if you're in the same city, is hard in itself, but picking up your entire livelihood and moving across the country is not as glamorous and easy as some people might make it seem, which I know can happen a lot on social media. So I hope that everything that I post and bringing you along on this journey really shows the authenticity and the reality of what I'm going through, because I want to be just as open and transparent to share the bad stuff and the hard stuff as I am the good. Don't get me wrong, this has been so much fun and I'm so excited, and there's all these exciting things happening right now, but it is equally challenging and a struggle. I've had little mini meltdowns every single day because I'm overwhelmed. So just know that I am not perfect. Don't compare yourself to me. I don't have it all figured out. I don't have all the right answers, but I'm happy to share what I'm learning and what I'm going through with you in case it helps you or encourages you in your season as well. Okay, pep talk over. I am actually sitting in my new room. So like I said, I can't move into my house until the end of September. So I'm actually renting this room in a house with 2 other girls for 2 months. The lease is only for 2 months. So then I have to move again into another house that I'll be in from August through September, and then hopefully praying and hoping that everything stays on track and on schedule so that I can move into my new house at the end of September, and then I'll be there for good. So it's safe to say these next 4 months are gonna be absolutely chaotic, but we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna take you along with me. I have no idea what kind of videos I'm gonna make on this channel just because everything's gonna be so up in the air. So we might have smoothie bowl tutorials, we might have vlogs, we might have day in the lives, we might have tour around Nashville. Let me know what you want to see. I'm genuinely curious as we head into the summer months. I want to do some fun stuff on here, so just know it's going to be a little crazy, but I'm here for it if you're here for it. All right, so let me give you a little house tour. I actually just walked into this house. Nobody is here right now, and I've never been here before, so like literally as I'm doing this tour, I am getting a tour as well, because the only thing I've seen so far is the bedroom, and I didn't even know that it was my bedroom. I had to text the girl and ask which one was mine because I just kept opening doors and couldn't figure out where my room was. Here is my room, and honestly y'all, because I'm only here for 2 months, I don't even think I'm gonna go through the effort of decorating it because I won't even be here for enough time to enjoy it. Got a nice spacious closet. Hello. I love this bathroom. It's got really good natural lighting. Here's the bathroom. Okay, and the best thing ever is that I am right by the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. So there, like I said, there's already 2 girls living here. So their stuff is already here and I'm just kind of coming into it, but look how beautiful this kitchen is. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with this waterfall countertop. This is giving me ideas for my new home. Yay, so this is the kitchen. So this is gonna be the kitchen that you'll see in my videos for the next 2 months. Got a cute little living room here. Then we'll go upstairs. Another mirror. Looks like we've got laundry right there. I bet that's one of the bedrooms. We won't go in there. I think, oh my gosh, I didn't know that I had a patio. I think this, oh my gosh, you guys, I have a patio. Wow, and a cute little spiral staircase. I wonder where that goes. Wait. I did not know I had a patio. This is amazing. Wait, I want to go up. This is so fun. What is up here? Oh, nuh-uh. Y'all, how stinking cute. I should have asked more questions before I moved in here, but this is amazing. Look, I can tan on the roof. Y'all know, if you don't know, I'm a sucker for rooftops. I love a good rooftop, and it just, maybe I'm gonna set up my bed out here. Like, it's almost summertime. It'll be warm enough. I might as well. Wow, I just got 10,000 more times excited to live here. And just by the looks of it, I think we have a puppy. This is amazing. There must be another bedroom on the first floor. On the first floor, it's just the entrance from the garage and the front door, but there was another door. I bet you that's my second roommate. I haven't even met my second roommate yet. I'm sure she's great though. Now I need to head to my storage unit and get all of my stuff so I can start filling my room and get some clothes in the closet. It's gonna be a long day of moving. Welcome to my storage unit. Y'all, this is just the stuff that went with me in the RV. The movers haven't even come, but luckily they're not here yet, so I'm gonna get most of this out today and into my new home. Okay, here it is. I got everything put away. It looks so empty. I got a plastic desk and a chair from Target for like 20 bucks just so I could have something to set my computer on and make a little makeshift desk. And luckily, I was able to fit almost all of my stuff in my closet. This is a pretty big closet. And then I kept all my totes up there because I'm gonna be moving out of here pretty quickly. So I didn't wanna have too much stuff just everywhere. So luckily, that is all in there. And then I've got all this open space. Yay. Okay, the movers arrived from LA. Everything is now in my storage unit. I'm actually kind of impressed. I thought this was going to be a lot more full than it really is, but I'm happy I have this walking space to kind of get in and get to everything, and that it's not all packed up against each other, because that would be really hard to find things. And I tried to do a really good job of like labeling all my boxes with numbers and stacking them in order. And then I made a list that I keep on my phone that has exactly what's in every single box in case in the next 4 months I need something, I can hopefully easily find it. Yo, but real talk though, this moving company that I used was actually so terrible and hard to work with. I hate giving bad reviews, but I also want to be super honest about like stuff that I don't like, because I feel like I always give good reviews. This company I do not recommend. When they picked up my stuff in LA, they doubled my quote from what they originally told me, and then when they came, they told me that I could only pay cash, and they never let me know that I could only pay cash, and so I didn't have a way to pay. And so what would have took 45 minutes to unload my stuff ended up taking almost 3.5 hours, because I was literally running around Nashville trying to find enough cash to pay these people because all the banks were closed. So if you're moving or thinking about doing a cross-country move, do your research, find a good moving company, and ask questions so that you don't get put in a position like this. It is seriously such a nightmare, but I'm so thankful to have all of my stuff now. Everything's fine. It's just one of those things that comes with moving across the country. Well, that's about it for now. Just wanted to give you a little update on my situation and how the moving process was going. I hope you enjoyed my cute new little house tour. If you like this video and you want to see more about my moving process, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what kinds of things you're interested in seeing as I transition into my new house. But hey, if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I want to know you. I want to be your friend. I'm so thankful you're here, and I'm so thankful that you watched this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.